My t-shirt says math is a piece of pie. Okay. And I've always had a lot of trouble with math, but I've gotten very interested in the last couple decades. And I've tried to learn more about it, even though I still am to some degree math challenged and probably always will be. But I did score in the 87th percentile in math on a test. So I'm up there with like above 86% of the population, which is quite a bit better than I expected to score on the math section of a test. Anyway, this thing reminds me of the fact that a lot of times, just in order to think about math, I'll think about math poems, okay? This is a circle. It knows how to get around. It has a radius from center to rim and a diameter that goes from side to side. Now, isn't that simple? Pi r squared sounds like area to me. If I need a circumference, I'll just use pi d. Here's another one. Fiddly dum, fiddly dee. A ring around the moon is pi times d. But if a hole you want repaired, the formula to use is pi r squared. Okay, those are my pi poems. Then there's some other poems that are math poems but aren't related to pi. Like, for example, there was a young man from Trinity who solved the square root of infinity. While counting the digits, he was seized by the fidgets, dropped science, and took up divinity. Okay. Hi, Dad. That's my dad. He's leaving. Okay. And there's also a poem that goes, let's see. Man has pondered through time immemorial why 1 is the value of 0 factorial. Okay, and then there's a Mobius strip is one-sided. And you get quite a laugh if you cut 1 in half, for it stays in one piece when divided. You know, that's what I used to, because I can't whistle in the dark when it was dark, after dark, I would start saying out loud, a Mobius strip is one-sided, and you get quite a laugh if you cut 1 in half, for it stays in one piece when divided. Okay, and so anyway, those are how I keep in touch with math during the day, is just to recite those little poems. I hope you like this and will subscribe to my channel.